Hello, St. Anthony Angels. It's Madame Unger here. Welcome to our Placing a Library Book on Hold video. Now, we've been talking about this when I visit your classrooms this week, but I figure at least if we have this video, I'll share it in the VLE, and if you ever forget the steps, you can always come back and refer to it. Now, remember, the first step to getting to our online catalog is to go to our VLE. That's this orange box. So we're going to click on it. Now my computer's a little slow, so we'll just need a minute or two for it to load. Now, under the courses, you're going to look for Library Learning Commons ANT, and it'll have this awesome picture of a bookshelf. Now, if you're looking in your VLE and you don't see the Library Learning Commons, feel free to message me on the VLE or reach out to your teacher and we'll add you in as soon as possible. But for now, we're going to click and it's going to take us to the Library Learning Commons. Now, once it loads, you can scroll down, you can see all the announcements, the activity feed, or go all the way to the content area. Today we're going to stop at our first announcement, which is about putting a library book on hold. In this post, you'll see that there's the button to take us to the library's catalog. Now, the announcement's not always going to be at the top of the page, but if you want, you can either scroll through the announcements and find this post, or you can go to the content area and the link will be posted in the Placing a Book on Hold tab. But for now, we're going to click this button and it's going to take us to our online catalog. Now, this may look familiar to some of you. If you've searched the catalog with your classroom visits last year, it looks just like this. Now, the first thing you're going to see is the search bar. So in the search bar, you're going to type the title of the book you're looking for, maybe the author or your favorite author, or a keyword or a subject that you might be trying to find a book on. Remember, when you're searching with the online catalog, spelling is very important. So you need to make sure that everything is spelled correctly, otherwise you won't get the results that you're looking for. So if you need to open another tab and search Google for the name of your author or the name of the book you're looking for, feel free to do that and come right back to the catalog and type it in. So today we're going to look for a Mo Willems book. So I'm going to search using the author. So I'm going to type my author's name. So you're typing last name first, followed by his first name. Make sure before we start our search that the library says St. Anthony. So it'll be searching our library's catalog to see what books are here. And when you're ready, you can hit enter and it will search for you. Now, if you search one time and you realize, I don't really want this book anymore, I want to try and find something else, remember you can click the go back button and it'll take you back to that first page and you can start over again. But for now, this is what I'm looking for and this is where we're going to stay. You can see that there's 49 different results for this author. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different options and you can decide what you'd like. So I think today I'm going to pick the book I Lost My Tooth. So we're going to click on the title and it's going to bring you up to this record page. Now, as you can see, there's a picture of the cover. Not every record has this, most do though, and it'll give you all the other information about the book. Now, if you're sure this is the book you would like to take, and for us this is what we're going to put a hold on, you're going to look under the picture of the cover and you'll see the place hold button, and that's what we're going to click next. On this window, you're going to need some important information before you put your book on hold. So the first thing you're going to need to do is enter your student number. We're going to do that now. You don't need to put at LBCSB, just your number is fine. The next thing is your password. Now, have you talked about Sora before with the library? If you've used it, your password for Sora is the same as the password for your online catalog. So if you've changed your password before and it's something only you know, you can enter it in now. If you've never used Sora before and you've never used the online catalog, your password will be ChangeMe. That's ChangeMe. M-E. All one word, all lowercase. So we're going to type in a password because I have my own password. Make sure it says St. Anthony because, of course, that's where we are. That's the school we're at. The expiration date line should already be filled. If not, just choose a date. And we're going to go down to the Place Hold button and click. So, as you can see, if you receive a message just like this, it'll have your name, your student number, and it'll say that your hold was placed, which is awesome. Now, other things you can do with the online catalog. So we've placed our hold. If you want to see other holds you've placed or see some books you have signed out, there's a little button up here called My Account. So I'm going to show you that right now. Now, under My Account, you can review your account. And if you do that, it'll show you how many books you have signed out right now and how many books you have on hold. If you go back, the other thing you can do is you can change your PIN. And PIN is another way to say password. So if you want to change your password, you'll make sure your student number is typed in at the top. You'll type in what your password is currently. So for most of us, that will be change me. And after that, you'll type in what you want your new password to be. And when it's ready, you can click change password and it's all set. Now, we'll go back. And that's how you place a library book on hold. If you run into any trouble placing these holds, or if you run into an error and you're not sure what you need to do next, make sure you refer to the handout on the VLE page, or you can reach out to me through the VLE, or contact your teacher and let them know, and we can do our best to help you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.